Hello and welcome back to our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long for 2021, and we are up to December 12. Now this leaf here is coming out from behind that pear, so I am going to give myself a centre line, but the challenge here is going to be to have this pattern look like it continues on the leaf behind that pear. So for that reason I'm going to give myself a few directional lines just to remind me that that pattern must go behind that pear. So when I'm stitching, I'm going to make sure I get that black thread into that stitch line with my Sharpie to really help with that illusion of the pear in front of the leaf. You can see the friction pen isn't always to stitch on, it sometimes is just a reminder of the direction we need to go. But I think that looks quite good. It does look like that leaf is behind the pear. So there you go, I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.